So for breakfast, I'm having pancakes. Big surprise. This has been my obsession lately. I've been eating pancakes almost every single day for the past week and a half, and I am addicted because they're so delicious. So I just threw on some strawberries and some coconut yogurt that's unsweetened, as well as some maple syrup. And if you guys want the recipe, you can click my other video below where I show you exactly how I made these delicious pancakes. And my little puppy Blueberry loves them too. And then it was off to the gym. So I worked out today with my mom and my sister, who I hadn't seen in a while. I'm not in Arizona, I'm currently in DC visiting my family. So for my warm-up, I just did some variations on the Stairmaster, and then I started training legs with my sister. So I'm just doing the leg press here. This is actually my sister's first time doing this, so I think she did pretty well. Lunch, we had my favorite food in the whole world, which is drunken noodles. I love Thai food. I'm obsessed with Thai food, and this is my favorite dish. So it was delicious, a total cheat meal, and I loved every second of it.
How are your noodles?
Mine?
Yeah.
They're okay. They put too many noodles and not enough vegetables. I only wanted 3 or 4 noodles.
I'm about to make some dinner. It's going to be super easy. I'm going to make some of this pasta, red lentil sedanini from Tre dos Giottos. And then I'm going to have this asparagus stir fry, super easy again. Add some seasoning sauce. And it's going to be yum. It's going to be yum.